Welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off eye comfort mode in our Oppo phone. Guys you want to off guys your eye comfort settings so how can you off in this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to off eye comfort mode then guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys your display and brightness setting can tap here. Then guys scroll it friends you can see your eye comfort mode guys. You can see the right side this icon guys. You can off from here. So where you will have to click then guys this eye comfort mode will off and guys you can see your screen color will normal. So like that guys you can turn off your eye comfort mode in your Oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off eye comfort mode in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like the video, subscribe the channel, and friends you have any doubt related to guys your eye comfort mode setting, your brightness setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.